Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2005 Mazda 6 MPS sedan, stock reference number 5681. This shape runs from the 10th month 2005 through to the 1st month 2008. It has an L3 2.3 litre 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine backed by a 6-speed manual all-wheel drive transmission. L3 2.3 litre 4-cylinder turbo engine. We have the right-hand fog light, left front 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left power door mirror, left-hand side skirt. Left front door has one small dent, left rear door has two small dents. Left rear 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Left hand tail light. Left tailgate, boot lid garnish. Boot lid has no damage. Right boot lid garnish. Rear bumper cover, a few little scratches. Right hand tail light. Right rear 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right hand side skirt. Right rear door and right front door have no damage. Right power door mirror. Right guard has no damage, and a right front 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black leather interior, manual type console, 6-speed manual gear shifter, climate control, heater controls, 6-stack CD player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunroof type, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise and audio buttons.